an affront to Mwengu. It is not an affront to my colleague. It is not an affront to you, Nate. It is not an affront to Kotu. It is not an affront to labor movement in the world. But it is an affront to the constitution of the people of Kenya. Because the constitution of Kenya says every worker has the right to pay and strike. Let's take a look at the feedback very briefly now.
I was saying today is a happy day.
Being in power for 2022 is betrayal, re-establishment of the best description of tribal cocoon. This country does not need a tribal kingpin, but a visionary and development conscious leader. Again, another
Very
tweet here.
cake.
What did you do today?
On the GDP issue, the president is also elected.
You played outside?
Is not resolved for them. Looking at the junior and the senator, Obama and our president are ageless.
What was that?
That means I played outside, I enjoyed myself, and I played every day. What are you doing?
YouTube.